way down to the Treasure Coast again to try our luck this weekend. Going to Webasso Beach, just south of Sebastian Inlet. Supposed to be a real good hot spot. So there it is, see? We used to come up here. Look that way.
There's
We used to come down here fishing.
Sebastian Inlet.
My buddy Steve Turner used to come down here and fish a lot.
And there's the sea where all the ships sank.
So we're Webasso.
Here we are coming to the beach at Webasso. Look at that beautiful green water. Getting ready to find some treasure.
Look how low the tide is.
Perfect timing. Low tide.
Look how much sand. Look how high the sand is up here.
Pretty coconut trees, turtle nests underneath the cocos. Just got out of the water where I saw a little baby shark swimming along the shore, then came out and was following this big dark thing kept coming up. Maybe it's a big shark or a loggerhead turtle, don't know. I'm not going after it. Uh-oh, we got a signal. What is it? What is it?
The round top.
We found this. It was pretty deep down there. Old style can. Okay, we're at our second beach, Treasure Park. Gonna see what we find here. There's more beach goers and water's just as beautiful. Okay, starting to hunt at Treasure Beach. Let's see what we find.
What that is?
Came right out of there. Ding ding. Got another hit. It says it's about 6 inches deep. Let's see. Okay, now in recovery. Hopefully we'll find something. like we got another ping.
Pick it up.
More space debris.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Yeah, that's not aluminum cans or anything. That's most likely something off the Challenger.
See what we found this time.
Here, pinpoint it. That way.
Going back over Sebastian Inlet. This is the ocean side.
There's a state park side over here.
You've got a nice long pier. People go
All the
fishing.
boats over there on the island. Little sandbar.
Oh, wow.
Beach right there. Okay, this was today's find. Boy, that might be a penny. Really crusted over, and we'll have to let that soak. Junk. That's a might be a piece of construction, and more of this space junk. This they believe is the debris from the Challenger explosion. It's pretty strong, very thin. And then that piece. No gold coins or silver reals this week, but we'll keep trying.